Welcome to the Ripto Win channel. Today we will talk about the price of internet computer for the next few weeks. Like and subscribe to the channel before watching this video. As soon as we gain 1,000 subscribers on the channel, we will immediately give away 2 bitcoins among all who subscribed. Internet computer, ICP, has become the 4th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The Internet computer, ICP, is part of a larger blockchain project that has been in operation for 5 years now, and is developed by the Swiss non-profit organization Finity to extend blockchain to the entire Internet. The main goal of Internet computer is to expand the public Internet so that it can become a global computer firm. Moreover, the scientific breakthrough underlying this platform is the chain key technology, which includes dozens of cutting-edge technologies, including new consensus, non-interactive distributed key generation, NIDKG, network nervous system, NNS, Internet identity, and many others. According to the Internet computer website, ICP bills itself as the 3rd largest blockchain innovation in the world, while Bitcoin and Ethereum are the top 2. The idea is that the Internet computer, ICP, extends the functionality of the public Internet to host software. While this sounds complicated, it's easier to think if the project is like a cloud network. The Internet computer, ICP, is like a massive blockchain-based cloud network where programmers can create and host their own software and smart contracts directly on the Internet. Instead of running Internet computer, ICP, software on your own computer, you can literally use this new global computer, Internet computer. This is a truly innovative idea, although not overly ambitious. Most of the people behind ICP and Finity are experts in their respective fields. The organization's scientists and experts collectively hold over 200 patents and over 100,000 academic references. Internet computer, ICP, price prediction. Internet computer, ICP, is much more serious than just a cryptocurrency focused on a speculative joke. Internet computer, ICP, is a great example of a cryptocurrency project that aims to be a long-term project. Thus, along with an impressive team of experts at Finity, Internet computer, ICP, seems to have a lot of potential as a long-term blockchain project. As for the price itself, it's hard to say. The fact that ICP managed to become the 4th largest cryptocurrency just days after it went public sounds incredible. The sky is currently the target price, and in the long term, Internet computer, ICP, Tether, Cardano, and Dogecoin may outshine other cryptocurrencies in terms of market cap. Serena Williams' spouse, Alexis Ohanian, co-founder of the Reddit portal, also supports the cryptocurrency. He became one of the first investors in Coinbase, which is supported by his wife. Ohanian says he invested in Internet computer. In May 2021, Ohanian predicted a crypto spring and emphasized that he did not plan to stop investing. Part of my fortune has been in cryptocurrency for a long time, and I like it. I don't want to change it. Internet computer, ICP, is currently trading at about $43. 1. Prices can go up to $70 per ICP. However, any bearish move in the current crypto bull market could change this target, at least in the short term. In the long run, the ICP could reach $1,000 in a year or two. Where to buy Internet computer, ICP? Currently, many exchanges list ICPs separately, but the 2 largest exchanges to buy ICPs are Binance and Coinbase. Both currently account for the bulk of ICP's transaction volume. While not as recommended as Coinbase and Binance, Huobi Global is the 3rd exchange to buy ICPs. Today, July 3, 2021, the price of Internet computer is $43. 1,035 US dollars, making Internet computer the 21st largest crypto project in the world. But this cryptocurrency can go both up and down, and your investment can be lost as cryptocurrencies are high-risk assets. Internet computer, ICP, to US dollar forecasts. In early July 2021, the price will be around $45.85. Peak price $49.52, low $38.06 for July 2021. The average price of an Internet computer in July 2021 is $43.79. Internet computer price forecast at the end of July 2021 $45.85, change for July 2021 5%. It is predicted that by the beginning of August 2021, the price of the Internet computer will reach $35,861. The expected high is $63,811, and the low is $43,392. Internet computer price forecast for the end of the month is $51,049. Do you like our video? Like and subscribe to the channel. As soon as we gain 1,000 subscribers on the channel, we will immediately give away 2 Bitcoins among all who subscribed.